Hello guys, welcome back to Not So Shy on Fit Talk, the series where we talk about things everyone's thinking but no one's really saying it out loud. And today we are going there. Yep, erectile dysfunction. Or as the internet calls it, the moment your penis says, nah, not today. But before you panic or pretend like it's never happened to you, chill. It's way more common than you think and we are going to break it all down for you. That too, judgment free. So, what actually is erectile dysfunction? It's when someone has trouble getting or keeping an erection that's firm enough for sex. And no, this isn't just something that happens to older men. In fact, thanks to stress, mental health issues, and a fast-paced lifestyle, more and more guys in their 20s and 30s are dealing with it. So if it's happened to you, you are definitely not alone. Now, let's talk about why this happens. And spoiler alert, it's not just a physical thing. Here are the usual suspects. First, mental health. Stress, anxiety, overthinking, all of that messes with your brain's ability to send the let's go signal to your body. And if you are dealing with depression, that affects libido too. Not to mention that some antidepressants can cause ED as a side effect. Then there's lifestyle. Smoking, drinking too much, not sleeping, eating junk 24/7, these all mess with blood flow. And blood flow is key for things to work properly. Also, let's not forget screen time, especially if it includes adult content. When your brain gets overstimulated by constant novelty, it might not respond the same way in real life. And finally, medical issues. Diabetes, high blood pressure, hormonal imbalances can cause ED. So sometimes it's not just in your head, it's literally in your health. Now, what you can do about it? Okay, so here is the good news for you all. ED is treatable and manageable. Here is what you can start doing right now. First, take care of your mental health. Therapy isn't just for trauma, it's for clarity, stress relief, and yes, even better sex. Then, upgrade your lifestyle. Eat better, move your body, sleep like a real human being. Your brain and body will both thank you. Talk to your partner if you have one. Awkward in your head? Maybe, but open communication makes it way less stressful and that alone can help. And please, if it's a regular thing, see a doctor. A urologist or therapist can help figure out the root cause. There are real treatments out there and no, it doesn't always mean pills. Oh wait, also one more thing. And if porn is messing with your head, take a break. See how your body responds when the stimulation is natural, not digital. Bottom line, ED is common, it's treatable and it does not define you. It's just a signal from your body saying, hey, something's off, let's fix it. So don't be shy, talk about it, deal with it and move on with confidence. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it and subscribe for more real and honest conversation right here on Fit Talk. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.